Hey, digital marketers, you must be happier knowing that Instagram posts and reels now will be available in search engines. It's definitely a good news because now you can achieve double benefits. If you want to know how to enable this feature for your business account or your content creator account, you need to follow this step, which I'm going to show. Also, if you want to make your account private so your personal family photos and reels are not floating on search engines, you have to follow the same tutorial which I'm going to show. So keep watching and I'm going to give you the tip that you must know. So watch till the end. Click on more, go to settings. From the sidebar menu, click on account privacy. Now by default, this feature will be enabled. If it is not enabled, you have to make sure this is toggled in if you want to show your photos and videos in search engines. If you don't want to show it, you have to disable this. I will keep it on because I'm building my new account in Instagram. Scale with Ashvini Vyas. Please follow me if you haven't yet. If you want to make sure your account is not public, to make sure all your data is private, click on private and click on switch to private. That means it will not only appear in search engines, but it also means your photos and your reels will only be showing to your followers and nobody else. The tip which I talked about is this feature is available only to business accounts and the content creator account. So if you don't have it, you have to switch to that category of account in Instagram to leverage this feature and double your benefits. So what are you waiting for? Just enable it right now and don't forget to follow me. Thanks for watching.